Hello, welcome to the installation video of Double My Leads WAsndr. You just need to go to the pricing page on the Double My Leads website, and you will see this green button. You click here, and you need to create a new account, and we give you a 5 days free trial. So once you have an account, you can go here to login. The URL is app.doublemyleads.com/signup or /login. We go to the login page. I already have an account here in my password manager. So I log into that account, click here, and this is an actual client, but I can create a demo account. So this is a test account. This is a 5 WhatsApp accounts that I can connect for each GoHighLevel sub account. So we click save, and my test account is in the color orange. That means that it's disconnected from your GoHighLevel sub account. We click here in the orange button, and we only click copy link. This is the name of the sub account of your client, 5 WhatsApps, and the link of the client account. We open a new tab or a new browser window, and we connect our sub account with GoHighLevel here. Remember that you need to log into your app, GoHighLevel app, in app.gohighlevel.com. If you don't log in, you cannot integrate with Double My Leads WAsndr. So first log in here. I already am logged into my GoHighLevel.com account. So I click here. I get redirected to GoHighLevel.com, and this is authentication for GoHighLevel. So I search my test account. It's this one, test account, and I am giving or you are giving access to this SMS custom provider. It's called WhatsApp DML WAsndr. Proceed. So the next thing you need to do is click here to connect a new WhatsApp. I will name it like this, save WhatsApp. The WhatsApp is already created. We can create another WhatsApp. We can say customer support WhatsApp. We can add another one, sales WhatsApp, and as you can see, you can see a toggle that it's called main device. So the main device is always the top one, but you can select whatever WhatsApp is the main device. The main device is whatever message you receive from this WhatsApp, it will appear to all the users in your sub account. In my sub account, I have here in settings, in my staff, all these users. I have 3 agents, agent 1, 2, and 3. You need to add these users to your sub account if you don't already have them, and then you can assign, for example, in the customer support WhatsApp, you can click here and you can add agent 1 and 2 and put the alias of this number like support WhatsApp, and it will tell you that you have 2 users assigned there. And in the sales WhatsApp sales number, you can put the agent 2. Well, it says agent 1. You cannot put the same user in the same number. It was showing that notice. So if you click here, you can see agent 3 is in the sales number, agent 2 and 1 are in the support number, and maybe you can leave other users or yourself as an admin to have this main WhatsApp for automations and for general messages that everyone should receive or will receive. So the next thing you need to do is connect your main WhatsApp here. Just click once and the QR code will appear automatically. I will use my... So it's already connected. So after you connect your WhatsApp number, you go to settings, phone numbers, then you go to advanced settings. So the custom provider, the SMS custom provider, it's WhatsApp/DML WAsndr. It's already saved in my sub account, but you need to, let me select this one and click the correct one, that it's WhatsApp/DML WAsndr. Click save and it should say default. Once you have done that, it's connected to GHL and you are ready to send messages. So the last thing to explain is general instance settings. You have these features. It says hide presence in WhatsApp. This enables you to have your number to appear not online all the time, so you can have it like it's a normal number that it's not online all the time. If you remove that, you can have your phone number of WhatsApp connected to your CRM to be online all the time. So this other feature, send agent name, if you save it, you will go to settings and my agent. The name of the agent will show on the conversation. For example, in this hello, it will show in the WhatsApp of the user like my agent or the name of the agent and the message hello. So that's that functionality of send agent name, and that's it. That's the whole thing you need to do. And we go to the admin account. Well, I refresh this, it's already connected. And this copy link, you can put it in your agency view. You go to settings, you go to custom menu links, and you can add WhatsApp connector. Enter the URL and select these things. Remove this and just leave this open, and we select, in this case is my test account. It shows there, and click open in a new tab. So click here, save, and we now go to test account DML demo, and you can have your customers see the custom menu link, and they click here and they can see that everything is connected and working. So that's it. Thank you for your time, and talk to you soon.